everyone, my name is Rosalind Rivas. I'm the Plants for Birds Program Coordinator, and today I'll be briefly describing how you can use our native plants database for yourself and to help advocate for native plants on a legislative level. A quick run through of the database: as soon as you enter your zip code in the space provided, you'll be taken to a list of native plants that would grow best around your area. The database provides several pieces of information, including a short description of the plant, the types of resources they offer, and the birds they may attract based on those resources. You can narrow down your list by using any of the filters up here, as well as add any species that particularly interest you to your own personal plant list. Another important tab to highlight is the local resources. Here, you can see the closest Audubon chapters, centers, and state offices that may provide further guidance and information, as well as nurseries found within a 100-mile radius to your zip code. Now, this tool can also help you when meeting with your city or state's elected officials to pass a proclamation, resolution, or ordinance, or PRO, as the Plants for Birds team likes to call it. When suggesting that your legislator pass a Native Plants Week proclamation, for example, it would be helpful to provide examples of native plants most commonly seen and appreciated around your community. This will add a personal touch when advocating that these plants should be protected. Now that you've learned more about some of our Audubon tools, you can use them to plant more native plants, contact your legislators, and spread the word about the importance of native plants in our communities.